Hello my friend, the missing tank is finished. Now let me tell you how to use this machine. First, when you receive this machine, you should connect to your factory power, and then you can open this electric box. And then you can see the L1, L2 and L3 wire. You should connect this 3 wire, and then you should connect the neutral wire and the ground wire of this machine. When you connect it, you can close the electric box. And now you can see this is the main button. When you open this button, you can see the light is on. It means this machine can start to work. And now you can see the button control. We have 3 functions: the mixing function, the homogenizing function, and the heating function. Now let's test the heating function first. When you turn on this green button, and then turn on this mixing inverter, you can see the mixing function is working. And then you can change the speed to the maximum speed. And you can see this is the maximum speed of the mixing function. And then when you want to turn off this mixing function, first you need to turn off this mixing inverter. And then turn off this red button. And then let's test the homogenizing function. If you want to use the homogenizing function, first you need to turn on this green button, and then turn on the homogenizer inverter. Let's test the maximum speed. And then if you want to turn off this homogenizer function, first you need to turn off the homogenizer inverter. And then turn off this red button. We have just set the 30 seconds of the homogenizing time, and if you want to change the time, you can go to this. We have seconds, minutes, and hours. We can test the 15 seconds. Okay, now we set the 15 seconds. And then now let's test the 15 seconds. Turn on this green button. Turn on the homogenizer inverter. You can see the time is changed. And then when it goes to the 15 seconds, it will stop automatically. And then you can turn off the homogenizer inverter, and then turn off the green button. The green button is turned off. And then let's test the heating function. To test the heating function, you should make sure the tank jacket is full of water, and then you can connect the water source through here to let the water in. You should connect the water pipe and then turn on this valve to let the water in. And then when the water comes out through here, it means that the jacket is full of water. And then you can turn off this valve to heat the jacket. And this too is the heating valve to help you to heat the jacket. Now let's test the heating function. you can set the temperature you want here. Press set, and then you can go to this, and then let's set like 70 temperature, and set. And then you can turn on this green button. You can see the heating current is changed. And the temperature is changed too. And then when you want to turn off the and then about the temperature control, if the temperature is arrived to your set temperature, it will stop automatically. And now we can just turn off this heating function manually, like turn on this red button, and the heating function is turned off. Also, we can see this is the emergency button. If the machine ran wrong, you can just push it. And about this machine, you can see this is the discharge outlet. When the material is finished, you can just let the material go through here. And this is the end of the introduction. Thank you.